On today's episode of Watch JR Go, it's a snow day.
Yeah!
So we're gonna go play.
Yeah!
What is going on, guys? I'm Watch JR Go, and today, like I said, it's a snow day, so we're gonna go get the tracker out. And unfortunately, I somehow still have the BMW hood. It was a mistake. I meant to put it inside the Passat when we were going to scrap that, but I forgot. I left it up against the side of the house, so I was like, Gabe, get over here, bring your kids, let's go get the hood and get a rope and pull it behind the tracker and have some fun. But first, look what just showed up. Bunker branding swag. So, this should be all of my new shirts at once. So don't forget to head on over to shopwatchjrgo.com. Get your own. I'm super excited. I can't tell you guys how excited I am to have my own merch and have awesome, like, high quality merch. There's the stealth one, the white one, the R8 Avoid Your Problems.
I actually like that one quite a bit.
Oh, it's my favorite. And then we've got the logo, the original Watch JR Go logo one. We've got a gold foil. So yeah, they're all here. I haven't even like seen them all in person until now. And then gray with the black print. So happy about this. Yes! So, anyway, shopwatchjrgo.com, get your own shirts.
Where are we going today, John Ross?
Well, you see, my house is looking like a junkyard because I put this hood beside my house. But it's the perfect sled, as all hoods are. We should probably rip this out of here so that they don't get grease on them.
Yeah,
Put this in the trash, and then we'll hook up our rope here to our kidney grills.
Is that a Boy Scout knot?
You like that?
I'm not sure.
Seems legit to me. Okay.
I'm not sure.
That works great. All right, let me hop on. Okay, give me a pull.
Wait, so now I gotta pull you too? So now I'm your stripper
Nice!
and your camera?
Let's go get the truck.
Yeah, this will work.
I'll just back the truck up to it so we don't have to do any work.
I'm just let me cry a little.
Have fun.
I'll be all right.
All right, we got our sled to the street. Let's fire up this here tracker. I did take it for a quick drive just to get it warmed up. You got a Boy Scout knot this one too?
Maybe not as fancy as yours. It's just an end-of-the-line bow line.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You want to do some testing?
Yeah, I think we need to try it first for, you know, make sure it's safe for kids.
Call it, yeah,
whatnot.
safety's sake.
Safety.
That's what
Safety
we're calling
third,
it.
at least.
Going around the hood, on the hood. Ready? Let's do it.
I am the king of ice!
Did Gabe come on? Oh, okay. You excited for this?
Kinda.
I think our sled mission's working pretty well here.
Sled's working all right. We haven't lost any kids yet.
Yeah, no one's flown off. I mean, it'd be cool if I had that mirror because I can only see when I'm turning this direction so that they come back into my mirror. My turn. Oh! It's just spinning. We're flying now. Oh, he's in third. Oh no! Watch out! Watch out! Again. I knew he would do this to me. It's too fast. I don't have any gloves or anything back here. Alright! I got wrecked. I wasn't worried about the speed, I was just worried that my hands froze in like 30 seconds.
Oh my gosh, that was so funny.
That was fast.
The boys went home, by the way.
Okay.
I'm floating.
She's rocking it back there.
Dude, she's loving it.
How cold is your face?
Not cold.
Hey, Matt, you ready?
Oh. Bring it. Oh, incoming.
Woo!
That's a little frosty.
Kelly and James are over there
I know, right?
throwing snowballs, but they won't get on the sled.
I believe that.
Woo!
Count to 8 seconds, James.
8 seconds.
Get her stalled, baby, get her stalled.
Yeah.
Go! Yeah!
Dynamic duo.
Oh,
You want a
guys are
safety brief? Because this is how you get a safety brief.
no hands. Here you go. You have some powder. Well, the old Tracker's still a beast, running like a champ, and the snow tires did what they were supposed to do, getting me unstuck almost every time. Now we just have to put away this old beat-up BMW hood. That thing got heavy.
Paint looks better on it.
That's nice. We could reinstall this on somebody's 3 Series.
Sure could.
Who wants it? Fiat did great in the snow, and it's looking pretty frosty. A very R8 snow day. The gated manual, V10 car, carbon pack. Now we can go do some donuts properly. That Quattro grip in the ice. So good. I thought we had missed all the snow, but we got to do R8 donuts on this icy, well, luckily very icy. Look at that, I'm not even like trying there. These are some baby ones. ESP off, second gear. Yeah, there we go. Now we're hooning it. Woo! Oh man, this is fun. Quattro is a beast. I can always feel the front end trying to pull me out of the donut. Oh, this car, I gotta tell you guys, I've never actually driven a gated manual R8. You know, I own one, but I've never driven it because I've driven it like, what, a couple 100 feet around the block? It's really good. This car feels, there's so much power, but it's so tame, and the gated shifter just does exactly what you want. It's so nice. I can't tell you how happy I am sitting in this car, and Tanner's DCT one was not motivation for me to finish my car because it's just a Huracan. I had never actually driven a gated manual R8. Well, this is cheating. It's a V10 car. It sounds a lot better, but I can't say enough. It's so good. We'll turn traction control back on because I definitely don't want to hurt this thing. So went and had a little bit of fun there. That was good times. I love how it's light on its feet. It's super chill on the road in 6th gear going down the highway. It's just like the most relaxing car. It doesn't feel like it's ever like wanting for anything because the power is there for instantaneous fun, and what a car. This is so good. Huge thank you to my buddy Austin for saying, hey, come get my car and do some donuts. I was totally down, and now I'm gonna go get some food and go give this thing back to him. So this was the most fun snow day ever, I think. Should be up there, other than doing donuts in the Suburban with my dad. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Auto wipers kicked in. There was only one piece of snow. What did I need auto wipers for? I love it. This car is very good. Honestly, one of my favorites ever. I might keep my car.